Hey there, guys. How's it going? What we're going to be talking about today is the Hall's Cough Suppressant Oral Anesthetic Drops. Yeah, these are basic throat lozenges that kind of you put on your throat. Like if you've ever had like a really sore throat, like, sometimes like you get these colds or any kind of cold. I mean, when you have a sore throat, tonsils are like acting up, or any kind of infection in your mouth and your throat and everything, to where it's, hard to swallow. Sometimes it gets dry and you're constantly swallowing. It's just really irritated. You need something. You really do. Halls is a really, really good thing to have. These lozenges, they look like this. They're not very big. This is the lemon flavor. I am a big fan of lemon and citrus type of flavors and smells. But this has a really strong menthol in it that really clears your sinus passages and your throat. It really makes your throat feel a lot more soothed. If it's really sore and you're sucking on these are, you really need to make it feel like, because you're constantly swallowing a lot. I mean, and that is part of the damage that's being done. And if you have these in your mouth and you're sucking on them, you will be swallowing this, and that in turn will be coating your throat right there. It makes it really feel good, really good, and it helps your nasal passages too. It'll make if you have like a clogged nose, or your sinuses are kind of backed up. This helps with that too. It kind of opens you up a bit. It's all that nice lemon menthol that's going through your body at that time. It's really good. Yeah. What I usually do also is, if I have a really bad cold, I will take some of these. I'll take like about two of them, and I'll add them to my tea. Like I'll make any kind of tea, any kind of tea at all, and I'll just throw two of these in there just to give it that, that thing I need to make my cold feel better. And it'll dissolve in there. It'll just sit at the bottom of the tea, and it'll just come out, as you're drinking it. And it's just really good, really, really good. And it just makes you feel a lot better. There's actually honey in this also, and honey is the honey flavored. Actually, the taste of honey, lemon, makes you feel like you're eating some kind of a candy. It's not candy, it's medicine. So because of the honey and the lemon together, kids like this. It makes it so that children will eat them like if it's candy, and it's good. Actually, it will make your mouth and throat feel a lot cooler also. It's like if you're putting something that's kind of chilled in your mouth. But I've been using these for quite a while. My mother would give me these when I was just a little boy. I remember really liking them a lot. They come in a lot of different flavors. For some reason, to me, the lemon actually makes you feel like you have something that's actually working. That's actually a medicine that doesn't taste bad. The others taste a little bit too much like candy to me. And if it tastes too much like candy, it makes me feel like it's not going to really do much for me. So they're really good, and I've been using them a while. Halls has been around for a long time. It's stood the test of time for many, many years. So I swear by them, and I know a lot of people use these. I've been using them for a long time, and it's really, really a good way to soothe your throat and make you feel a lot better while you're going through a nasty cold or anything. Menthol, that was a great discovery. Yeah. Well, I hope you guys use this information. This is the Hall's cough suppressant and oral antiseptic. I hope you guys use this, and I will see you next time. Okay? Bye-bye.